Students, so now start next chapter number 4, linear equation in two variable. Chapter number 4, linear equation in two variable. Linear equation in two variable. Linear equation in two variables. So first write linear equation. Write first definition. Linear equation in two variables. Write definition. An equation of two variable whose degree is 1 is called linear equation in two variable. An equation of two variable whose degree is 1 is called linear equation in two variable. For example, or write general form. The general form of linear equation in two variable. Linear equation in two variable is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is general form of linear equation in two variable, where a, b, c all are constant, where a, b and c all are real number and a not is equal to 0 and b not is equal to 0. That is, a and b both are non-zero real numbers. So this is called linear equation in two variables. So example is, suppose example 2x plus 3y plus some constant 5 is equal to 0. This is a linear equation in two variable. So definition is an equation two variable whose degree is 1. What is the degree? Degree means power of variable term. Degree means power of variable term. What is your variable term? X and y are called variable term and a, b, c all are constant. So degree means power of variable term should be 1. So check that. What is the power of x? 1. What is the power of y? 1. So both variable x and y having 1 degree, that is 1 power. So this is called linear equation in two variable. That is x y पे power क्या होना चाहिए? 1 1. So this is called linear equation in two variable. Example number 1. Example 1 is, write each of the following equation in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Write in this form, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, and in first part 2x plus 3y is equal to 4.37. This equation write in that form, that is right side, and indicate the value of ABC in each case, and ABC की value indicate करनी है. So write in this equation in ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 form. So for this form, right side is 0, that is constant term also left side. So this constant term 4.37 also taking left side. So this equation becomes 2x plus 3y minus 4.37 is equal to 0. So this is the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now write the value of a, b and c. What is the value of a? A that is coefficient of x. So what is the coefficient of x? 2. So here a is equal to 2, and coefficient of y is b. What is the coefficient of y? 3. So b is equal to 3, and c constant term. What is constant term? Minus 4.37, not only 4.37, minus 4.37. So c is equal to minus 4.37. So this is the value of a, b and c. सेम सेकेंड पार्ट सब सेम ऐसे नोट कर लोगे, सबको कर दोगे लेफ्ट साइड. सिमिलरली सेकेंड पार्ट इज ax minus 4 is equal to root 3y. So first taking all the terms of left side, all term taking left side. So this term taking left side, then sign becomes change, here sign plus, then becomes minus. So ax minus root 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. This is the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now compare it and write the value of a, b, c. So a means coefficient of x, x का coefficient. So what is the coefficient of x here? x का coefficient यहाँ पे क्या है? 1. So a is equal to 1. यहाँ पे 1 understood है, 1 into x. x means 1 into x. So a coefficient of x is 1, a equal to 1. And what is the coefficient of y? Minus root 3. So b is equal to minus root 3. Then what is the constant term? Constant term is minus 4. So c is equal to minus 4. This is the value of a, b and c. So and the rest example same as. So now example number 2, write each of the following in general equation in two variable. In general equation in two variable, what is general form? Here form is general form. Since general form of linear equation in two variable क्या होता है? ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a and b not both are 0. दोनों 0 एक साथ नहीं हो सकता है. where a and b not both are 0. Okay. So now next example number a and b are not both 0. यहाँ पे आप नोट कर सकते हो where a and b are not both 0. दोनों एक साथ 0 नहीं होंगे. Okay, now example number 2. Are not both 0, that is any one 0 may be, that is if a 0 then b must not is equal to 0, if b 0 then a must not is equal to 0. Okay, So example number 2, write each of the following an equation in two variables. So equation is x is equal to -5. This equation is only one variable. Write it into two variable. So two variable, that is x and y. So first this constant term taking left side also. So this can retain x plus 5 is equal to 0. This 5 minus 5 taking left side, or write it into two variable form, that is x into y. Y भी include करना है. So this can retain x plus 0 और x plus 0 into y plus 5 is equal to 0. इसमें y का टर्म नहीं है, तो y का टर्म नहीं तो क्या करेंगे, y के साथ 0 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. यह टर्म क्या हो जाएगा, 0. आप लिख सकते हो इसको ऐसा, और इसको आप ऐसा लिख दो पहले, x plus 0 plus 5 is equal to 0, and this 0 can retain 0 into y plus 5 is equal to 0. So this is the equation, linear equation of two variable. Question is, write each of the following an equation in two variables. This is a two variable, same as question number second part. Third part same as, similarly same also. Its third part or fourth part is, fourth is 5y is equal to 2. There is no any x term, so write x term whose coefficient is 0. So this can retain 0 plus 5y minus 2 is equal to 0. This 5 taking left side, और sin of 5y क्या है, प्लस, राइट. दिस कैन रिटेन 0 प्लस 5y, और दिस 0 कैन रिटेन 0 इंटू एक्स प्लस 5y minus 2 is equal to 0. So this is the equation in two variable. Now exercise 4.1. Exercise 4.1. 4.1 is, the cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Notebook and pen. The cost of notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write a linear equation in two variable to represent this statement. That is given, cost of notebook is twice the cost of pen, and write linear equation in two variable. So first suppose cost of a notebook. Question number 1, let cost of notebook is equal to rupees x, and cost of pen is equal to rupees y. So cost of notebook suppose x, pen suppose y, and given the cost of notebook is twice the cost of a pen. That is, according to question, cost of a notebook, that is x, is means equal to twice the cost of a pen, that is y, twice. So x is equal to 2y. ये समझ में आ गया. The cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. पेन का twice है, that is x is equal to 2y, and convert it into a standard form. So this term taking left side, so this can retain x minus 2y is equal to 0. So question is, write a linear equation in two variable to represent this statement. So this is a linear equation. And question number 2, express the following linear equation in the form of this and indicate the value of a, b and c. Question number 2. Question number 2, suppose second part Second part is x minus y by 5 minus 10 is equal to 0. Question is express the following linear equation in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and indicate the value of a, b and c. So this can written ax plus equation written ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is already written in ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and check the coefficient. What is the coefficient of x here? 1. So the value of a is 1 and the coefficient of y. So first equation this can written 1 into x plus minus 1 upon 5 into y plus minus 10 is equal to 0. It can written into this form. यह माइनस पहले लिख दिए 1/5 इंटू वाई, इस माइनस 10 को हम यहाँ लिखे साइन है प्लस कर दिए. सो दिस इक्वेशन इज द फॉर्म ऑफ x प्लस बी वाई प्लस सी इज इक्वल टू 0. सो नाउ कंपेयर इट. सो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ a? हियर a दैट इज कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x. सो व्हाट इज द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x? 1. b कोफिशिएंट ऑफ y. व्हाट इज द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ y? -1/5 and c constant term. What is the constant term? -10. So this is the value of a b c. सेम क्वेश्चन बन जाएगा या सब कर लोगे? सेम ऐसे बन जाएंगे सब. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज सॉल्यूशन ऑफ ए लीनियर इक्वेशन. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक राइट, solution of a linear equation. Solution of a linear equation. Solution means, suppose give one example, or solution means the value of x and y which satisfied the given equation is called solution of that equation. Solution means that is the value of variables. यहाँ पे वेरिएबल हम क्या सपोज किए हैं? x and y. So the value of variable which satisfied the given equation, satisfy the given equation is called solution. The value of variables, जो वेरिएबल हो, यहाँ पे हम वेरिएबल क्या सपोज किए हैं? एक्स वाई. कहीं कहीं वेरिएबल चेंज भी हो सकता है. या सपोज किए वेरिएबल एक्स वाई विच सेटिस्फाई द गिवन इक्वेशन इज कॉल्ड सॉल्यूशन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल x plus y is equal to suppose 10. This is a linear equation in two variable, or this can attain x plus y minus 10 is equal to 0. So this is a linear equation. Now put the value of x and y such that satisfied to this equation. Satisfied to this मतलब आप x प्लस y की वैल्यू पुट कर देंगे तो इसका सम होने पे क्या आना चाहिए? 10. सो सपोज put x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. Check that satisfied or not. x की वैल्यू पुट करना x and y. So when put x equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. Put here x, since x plus y is equal to 10, put x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2 is equal to 10, not is equal to 10. 1 plus 2 not is equal to 10. So not satisfied. और आप ऐसे भी निकाल सकते हो कि इन दोनों का सम के वैल्यू निकाल लिए और चेक करो क्या रहा है 1 + 2, इन दोनों का सम के वैल्यू क्या होना चाहिए 10, बट यार 1 + 2 नॉट इज इक्वल टू 10। और आप ऐसे भी निकाल सकते हो वैल्यू फाइंड x + y दैट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ x इज 1 और द वैल्यू ऑफ y इज 2, इट्स सम इज 3 विच इज नॉट इज इक्वल टू 10। सम तो 10 आना चाहिए ना, नॉट इज इक्वल टू 10। देयरफॉर x इक्वल टू 1 एंड y इज इक्वल टू 2 नॉट ए सोल्यूशन। यह क्वेश्चन सपोज के लिए 1, देयरफॉर x इक्वल टू 1 एंड y इज इक्वल टू 2 इज नॉट सॉल्यूशन ऑफ इक्वेशन 1। ये सॉल्यूशन नहीं होगा। चेक अदर वैल्यू, सेटिस्फाई होना चाहिए। अदर वैल्यू चेक करते हैं। सपोज पुट x इज इक्वल टू 6 एंड y इज इक्वल टू 4। x इज इक्वल टू 6 पुट किए एंड y इज इक्वल टू 4। check that satisfied or not. So first find x plus y value. So x plus y is equal to, put the value of x 6 plus 4, y equal to 4. So x plus y is equal to 10. Satisfied it? It's satisfied. Therefore x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 4 is a solution of first. ये होगा सॉल्यूशन जो सेटिस्फाइड करे। अब नेक्स्ट को वैल्यू बताओ जो सेटिस्फाई करे। नेक्स्ट वैल्यू को बताइए जो सेटिस्फाई करे, और इसको आप डिक्रीज कर दो और इसको इंक्रीज कर दो। और सपोज x इज इक्वल टू 7 एंड y इज इक्वल टू 3, इट्स सम ऑल्सो 10, दिस ऑल्सो ए सॉल्यूशन। और similarly 8 and 2 is a solution. 8 2 means this is the value of x and this is the value of y. Similarly 9 1 solution, 10 0 also solution. Many value 0 10 is also a solution. There are many solutions, many solutions. So the solution of linear equation in two variables is infinite. Infinite solution satisfied to this linear equation. Many solutions. Therefore, the solution of linear equation in two variable be infinite. There are infinite solution. Infinite solution of a linear equation in two variables. तो आप 4.1 लगा लोगे and try it exercise. Try it exercise 4.2. 4.1 तो easy, only 2 questions है, very small question. So also homework exercise 4.2. So homework is exercise 4.1 question number 2 and exercise 4.2. 4.2 question number 1 2 and 3. Question number 1 2 and 3. This is a homework. आप इसको ट्राई करोगे एंड आई डिस्कस नेक्स्ट डे। ओके।